Hi, I'm Girish Menon, and if we haven't met before, I sit around, I show you some of my pictures, and I talk about photography. And today, I want to talk to you about smartphone photography. Now, smartphone photography is not something I've been taking very seriously because if I see something that I want to click a picture of, something I like so much that I think I should take a picture of it, then I'd rather take it with a real camera, not a smartphone, because I like to shoot raw images and color correct them, make the colors look as realistic as possible. And with a smartphone, those possibilities are limited. But every now and again, when I didn't have a camera with me, I'd remove my iPhone and take a few pictures here and there. And over the years, I started to like some of the pictures that I clicked with my iPhone. Now I've come to believe that smartphone photography is a wonderful tool to develop our observation skills and to observe especially the way light falls on a subject and try to compose pictures in a simple, clear, uncluttered manner. And I was just thinking the other day, maybe it'll be cool for a group of people to come together and develop their smartphone photography together. I mean, those of you who are interested in developing your photography skills, your observation skills, maybe we could get together on a Meta group. Facebook is now Meta, so maybe we can maybe be part of a group on Meta or WhatsApp or Telegram and just click pictures every day. One picture every day that we click, we edit, we share on this group and give each other constructive feedback. Maybe that way we can learn something from each other. I know it's very difficult to moderate a group like that, and it's hard work, but if it's a small group of people coming together to improve, to learn something from each other, that could be pretty fun. What do you think? If you think this is something that interests you, then maybe you can get in touch with me and we can figure out how to make this work. Maybe get on a Zoom call to discuss how to take this further. I mean, I think it'll be pretty cool, pretty fun to help each other, don't you think? In the meantime, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because with every subscription, every like, every comment, the YouTube algorithm thinks that, this is content that people would like to see, and they'll start promoting my content to other people. And so please help me out over here. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and tell me what you think about the smartphone photography idea.